Hi there, students. Flub. To flub as a verb. A flub as a noun. Okay, this is a rather American word. It means a mistake, to make a mistake, to mess up, to goof, to err. So, particularly the actor flubbed his line. I guess I flubbed my exam. I flubbed up the interview. To mess up. But notice this is quite informal. Yeah. I flubbed up the whole project by not preparing enough money or enough financing for it. Okay, so to flub, to mess up, to make a mistake, to make a mess of, to botch, to blunder. So please don't flub the repair of my trousers, because they're part of my best suit. The builder flubbed the repair that he made to the roof, and the water's still coming in. Maybe if you're on live television or live radio, you could make a flub that you will be remembered for forever. To botch, to bungle, the act of messing something up. So a comedy of small social flubs. Yeah, to flub something. I flubbed the shot while I was playing tennis, and that's why I missed the ball. So to botch, to mess up, to bungle, to louse up, to spoil. So yeah, try not to flub it, to fail, to make a mistake, but particularly when performing something. The cricketer flubbed his shot and was bowled by the bowler. Or I flubbed the catch and the ball hit me in the face. The actor flubbed his lines and everybody started laughing. Okay, so it's a fail. It's where you don't do what you're supposed to do, but particularly in acting, in the cinema, in the theatre, things like that, when you don't say what you're supposed to say. An unsuccessful attempt to do something, an embarrassing mistake, an embarrassing blunder. You had to fluff something, to screw up. So careful that you don't flub the oath of allegiance. Okay, so just don't flub this. Okay, whatever you do, don't flub the introduction. Well, very often when I'm making a video, I flub the first couple of attempts at making the video and tend to get it on the third or fourth attempt. It depends. Okay, so to flub, or maybe a politician could flub his speech, or could flub certain words within a speech. You could routinely flub your sentences. Okay, so to flub, to mess up, to make a mistake, to just to get it wrong, to blunder. But I flubbed my lines, I botched my lines. Okay, so formality, this is informal. 3.5 informality. It's American as well, but you could use it in British without a problem. So, yes, I said 3.5 informality, use in an informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation, maybe just, but certainly no more than that. And As to origin, maybe it's a mixture of to fluff and to flop, because notice you can fluff your lines. That's a very common use. I fluffed it. To fluff something is to flub, to botch, to make a mistake, particularly with lines in a play. So enough. I don't think I've flubbed the video this time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To flub up, a flub.